Hello, everyone. A very warm welcome to all of you. Let me set up a stage. Imagine this. There's a conference room where there are sales operation, sales head, business operation, and you are sitting. There's a screen with lot of metrics. There's a dashboard with lot of beautiful metrics, lot of charts, bar chart, metrics, and many more. And after 2 minutes of silence, business operation head says, looks interesting, but what are we gonna do next? This is what we call it as dashboard paralysis. Hello everyone, my name is Smriti. I am a product manager with 1.5 decades of experience in data and analytics domain. I have worked very closely with business operations, business head, sales operations, supply chain business, and data engineer, data scientist, and data analyst, and many more. I have worked in multi-million dollar companies and projects where I have delivered dashboards from raw data to decision-making playbook. What I have learned here is dashboard don't change business, but decision do. So I'm here to talk about a 5-step framework which will convert your data into decision-making playbook. Let me go one by one. Step number 1, understand the decision and not just metric. You need to know what is the decision your business is going to take from that metrics. Understand the decision, understand the options that they have, understand the data you have to support them. Point number 2, understand the personas for whom you are making the dashboard. One dashboard can't fit everyone. You need to understand whether you are making dashboard for VP or CEO level, or you are making for some sales agent for day-to-day activities, or you are making for dashboard for any federal team, which is a secure dashboard should not be open for everyone. You need to understand that personas and you need to understand their pain points and then tackle that. Point number 3, add narratives and not just metric. You need to add narrative, tell the storyline. These are the 78% of deal which is gonna win. These are the remaining deals which will be lost and why that is gonna lose. What is the explanation behind it? You need to enable explainable AI for that. Point number 4, add observability. Data is still a black box for all the business point of contact. You need to give them transparency. You need to get them the trust of them. Tell them whether your data is fresh data or is that a stale data. You need to show the anomalies that is there. Show them there are AI ML model which tells about how many customers can be fraudulent customer. Predict those and show it to them. So basically that is, you need to get the trust from them by enabling observability. In my role, in my previous project, I have enabled observability for my business, which helped them by reducing their planning anomaly. So they were getting impacted by 20%, their planning was getting impacted, and when we enabled observability, we got benefit of around $4 million. So that is the power of observability. Final point, I would like to say that understand the outcome and not just output. You need to know what is the revenue behind it. What is the revenue on investment when you are making the dashboard. Let me take a case study which is a very well-known brand, which is everyone knows here. The brand name is Zara. Zara is not only cutting edge in its fashion, but it also has cutting edge in their data agility. Store manager of Zara is empowered to take decision to move inventory from within 48 hours. Any hot pink skirt is in demand, 48 hours it will be moved to your location. That is the power of data-driven decision-making dashboard. So research says that around 90% company says that they are data-driven company. However, only 24 are actually data-driven company. Others are still trying that. So finally, I would like to conclude here that good dashboards are those dashboards which tells you what happened. Best dashboards are those which tells you what's going to happen. And the exceptional dashboard are those which tells you what happened, what's going to happen, and make your next step so obvious and effortless. So let's go ahead and make the exceptional dashboard and product. Sign you off.